The Maldives is a dream destination, and most people assume flying there privately would be insanely expensive. But what if I told you there's a way to check private jet options without calling anyone or going through a luxury travel service? Here's how. Go to a private jet site. I've linked one in the description. Search a route like London to Maldives. Pick your travel dates. Enter how many passengers, then hit search. Now, you won't see flight options or prices right away. Instead, you will need to enter your name and your email to get the details. But this is so worth it if you're even thinking about a luxury trip. Once you submit your info, they will usually send aircraft availability, sample jets, and sometimes discounted codes, especially if your dates are flexible. So even if flying private to the Maldives feels out of reach, now you know where to start. Links down below if you want to try it yourself.